What's up guys, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to use SelfyzAI. SelfyzAI is a versatile AI tool where you can generate pretty much anything you can think of, especially when it comes to AI video generation. At the bottom, you can see 4 buttons. You can see templates, AI tools, rewards, and mine. Now, currently we're under templates, and that's where you probably will be. At the top, you can see image to video, reference to video, and AI tools. Then when you scroll down a bit, you can see some other options. We're currently under hot and new, and these are the different options you can play with while using SelfyzAI. Now, once you click on, say, lion, all you need to do is to put in your picture, and this is what it's going to give you from the template that is available. It also lets you know how many credits you will be using, and you can see currently it's about 50 credits in order to generate. It's pretty easy and straightforward. All you need to do is to tap on generate now, and you'll be asked to add your picture and any necessary prompt, which should be easy to follow. The same rule applies to other options such as the eagle walk or the white eagle. There's just so many options you could play with, and this is pretty much at your fingertips. So the same thing applies. You just need to select what you want, tap and generate now, put in your picture, and it's going to transform to a beautiful AI generated video. And of course, after it's done, at the bottom, just by the right side, you have the option to like or to share it. There are other options under animal fusion, image to video. You also have View 3, and this is also a pretty nice feature. And it follows the same pattern of tapping on generate now, which will consume 50 credits, and of course you can add your picture to transform it into an AI generated video. So this makes things pretty easy. Now when we go to the bottom and we see AI tools, we can tap on it. You can see some more AI aided options such as the photo editor, and once your picture is loaded up, you can make some edits to it based on the options that are available. And once you're done, you can tap and save, and that will save your edit. Now under mine, which is the 4th icon at the bottom, you have your videos and photos. This is where you can find all your AI generated videos here on SelfyzAI stored here. You could download them or view what you've created in the past. So going back to template, you can explore all these options and transform your picture or prompt into stunning AI video. Remember, you can use an image to video, reference video, or you can use the AI tools to generate more stunning videos by SelfyzAI. Of course, if you want to have the best use of SelfyzAI, you'll need to pay for the Pro plan, which is just under $30 a year or under $5 a week. And you get the best from SelfyzAI. So these are some tips to follow if you'd like to use SelfyzAI to generate AI videos.